Hi.
Hi.
We're gonna stop breathing. Deep breath, buddy. Come on.
You guys want? Oh, you got him.
All good. There we go. Let's roll on the side.
Roll on the side.
There we go.
It might be Perry's. He's over there talking to the victim.
Okay, man.
Ah, come on. Wyatt. Come on. Kingsman. Please.
What's our plan here?
Hey.
Stretcher?
Bring a stretcher.
Oh, a gator. Hell yeah. Let's do some
If that's okay, is that a good plan?
Ah, come on.
You guys have a report number for this?
Come on. Fuck you.
2012
Fuck you.
0316. 2012 0316.
Hey, our gator, which is going to stand upright. I don't remember the
Just put the golden shower.
You want to use Spokane Falls?
Howard?
Come on.
Actually, what's the address for the... Yeah, I think Spokane Falls and Howard's probably better.
I can also sedate him.
Come on, just do it. Come on. Come on, just take it. Come on, come on. Fucking do it.
Probably would be a bad idea. Deep breaths.
I'm going to shoot you up when I get out of these cuffs. I'm going to hunt you down and shoot you between your fucking eyes. Mark my fucking words. I will shoot you. Pull your gun.
Just take some deep breaths, man.
I'm going to hunt you down and feed you the pigs.
Are you mad at me? I just got here.
Come on.
Hey, breathe, man.
Come on.
It's okay.
Come on.
We're reaching What's the ETA on our... It's coming, but it's through the crowd.
Come on.
Get him now.
Ah! Ah! Come on, please. Come on. Come on.
Keep them with you the whole way. Medics.
Ah.
Keep them with you the whole way. Keep breathing, man. It's all good.
Just a family from out of town. He just like shows up and tries to snatch their kid. Those are probably a better material. They're kind of lightweight.
I don't have enough energy to keep fighting. You just get it over with. I do not have enough energy! Ah! Ah!
Do you guys know what we're going to be charging?
Part of the statement I heard is he actually had his arm around the kid and was dragging him away.
We've got witness names for additional, so if they need them for an affidavit or something like that. 25. Yes. Go ahead. There it is. Oh, there you go.
You hope you get to be around to see that. You hope you get around to be present when some guy does that stuff. Do we have an ID on him?
No, 35. We have a supervisor there already? No, we don't. No, negative. No, we don't need one. Negative, no supervisor. Yeah, we got background. You don't need one?
Come on. Just shoot and get over with, jeez. just fucking shoot me. Come on. Just fucking do it already. I don't care. Every last one of you girls shooting out. Jesse, what arm do you want? I have shotguns and I've shot deer my whole life. You need to be part of it.
Okay. And try to number 8. You're forward west of Howard on the riverside. Let's run a flag North Riverside for the next gate. What can we do to help you?
Hey, Strauss, maybe our positioning didn't work out well.
Pass out.
Trying to get a quick escape. I was going to head out. Deep breath, buddy. There we go.
Spokane tried casino number 8, Howard Riverside to the west.
Okay, cool.
Raj.
Tony, you need a minute.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, we're going to put some water on your head.
It's not doing super well right now.
Cool you off, okay?
Can you clear this path, folks, please? Kind of an emergency. Can we bring that up?
We have him on leg restraint. He's on leg restraint. We're going to go on leg restraint.
Just park that out of the way just a little bit for us.
Sorry, it's fine. Which way do you want to go? This way? Then can you put him on the grass?
Back up on the grass.
That'd be great. There you go. I guess you could have stayed where you were. Thank you. What the hell are we doing?
Well, we could you just bring that over here. We could put him on the back and just walk in. We got 5 guys walking around the back. Just like this. Need anything else? Just walk slow through the crowd. How you feeling, man?
Slide him into the back seat of it, maybe?
We can throw him in a bag or
taking care of you, man. We're all over it.
Put the bag over that we don't have it.
Just take a breath.
Gurney it.
Take it easy.
We'll give you an easy on the gurney.
It's coming through. They were. I want to say they were Stevens almost. Yeah, it's good. They have a hard time.
Oh, yeah, I know. I get it.
Last high speed.
It would be nice if we had a vehicle accessible to us with a big flat bed area.
Yeah, just for this minute.
Yeah.
We're just going to put him in the back. Do you want to do that and just get him out of here? 5 guys around the back of it. Are we going to Sacred Heart or are we going to the jail?
Jail. Unless you guys see, does he need to go in
I
front
gave
of
him
medical?
Versed, so he needs to go medical.
Okay.
Yeah, going to the heart. Just for monitoring
Yeah.
and everything else. I think the jail nurse would be mad at everything.
Can we get that thing a little closer?
Do we have somebody here that needs to go? Let me ask if South Control can handle it.
Sorry, right now we're back and forth and back and forth.
No, I'm just trying to. He said that you told him to stay, so now
I know.
I was thinking, like, man, there's a lot of people standing around here. I didn't see the guy on the ground.
Too hot or is it good?
It's all right. They just took all their stuff out of the back. They just unloaded it. I don't think it's been in the sun.
Yeah, they had a bunch of stuff.
It's good.
What's that? Grab a little.
Pick him up, slide him in.
Head first.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh. Come on, Roy.
All 278 to Zebra 10. He's on his way.
We got to do better than that.
Yeah. Use your legs, on your back.
Okay.
Just walk with them.
You want to do my legs, please?
No, we got your legs.
He's sedated. We might
Yes.
be able to.
That's a good one.
Thank you.
Can we? Going all the way to the flour mill?
Okay, let's do it.
We want him on his side.
Yeah, that's very good. Like
Hang on.
Hold on.
We're
Hang
rolling
on.
a little bit.
Let's get his knees up and in.
Yeah.
Like that.
There you go.
No, we could probably do the tailgate. Watch this. Check that out.
Driving. Good? Yes.
How many of you guys need to go with you?
Hang on one sec. I think so. Peter? Yeah, Peter Wilson.
Yes.
Idle's good.
Yes.
Yeah, just want to ride behind us on your bike in case he crashes. Perfect.
I'll just walk next to you guys.
How many bodies do you think you need to go with you?
Just a couple. We're good. We're good.
Okay.
3 or 4 can go.
All right, we're out. Did you take paper on that?
Yeah. Let's go find somewhere to wash.
Got some on you?
Yeah.
Am I right? MR's going to
Let's just go right back to City Hall.